am going to make another stuffed paratha, and that is green peas paratha. So just check out the ingredients and the recipe. To make matar paratha, first I'll make a paste of the green peas. For that I'll add around 7 to 8 green chilies, also depending on the spiciness. Around a bulb of garlic cloves, medium sized garlic cloves which I have peeled, so I'll just add into it. You can use fresh or frozen, it's up to your choice, whatever is available with you. Now dry grind it. So every time you can just shake it a bit so that it settles down. Now the green pea has been coarsely grounded. This is the consistency which I need for the paratha. Now I'll start preparing to give tadka for this. For that I have started to heat up the pan. To this pan add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. To the heated oil add around half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add used around 500 grams of green peas. In the paste you can also add green coriander leaves. Once the cumin seeds splutter, add the peas, the green pea paste. Add all to it. And then stir it and mix it and roast it till the moisture from the peas, it just dries up and it becomes very, you can separate the grains of the peas. So that is the consistency I am looking for. Now to this add other spices like 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, around half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Just add all to it and mix it well. Keep the flame to be high and stir continuously so that it doesn't get burnt and also it dries up quickly. Now to this add salt to taste. Mix it well. Also add half bowl of boiled potatoes. This is optional, but when you add it, it will enhance the taste of the paratha. And now mix it well. The stuffing is ready. Finally just add a teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder. This is done. I'll mix it well and keep this aside to cool down. My dough is ready. Dough is the same dough which I have shown in earlier stuffed paratha. The recipe for dough is in stuffed gobi paratha. You can see into that. Now I'll just wait for the stuffing to cool down and then I'll start making the parathas. Now prepare the dough balls for stuffed paratha. So it should be just double the quantity of chapati dough balls. Meanwhile my stuffing is also getting cooled. Now I'll start stuffing it. So just apply dry flour on the dough ball and start pressing and expanding it. Center should be a bit thick. Just go on doing that and go on giving a bowl shape. Once that is done, add adequate amount of stuffing into it. Now just press it and cover it and close it from the top. If required, you can remove the extra dough. Now this is ready. In this way I'll stuff all the dough balls. Now all the dough balls has been stuffed, so I'll just start rolling it out one by one and I'll fry it on the pan. So just apply a bit of dry flour, put it on the surface. Just gently press it and roll it. The pan is already heated up, so I'll just put it on the pan. Just show you one more how to roll it out. Just gently go on pressing it. Once one side is roasted, just flip it over and add oil to it. Apply it all over. Once both the sides are roasted well, just remove it from the pan and serve it hot. Paratha is good, you come to know when it starts to fluff up. In this way, I'll prepare all my parathas. If you have liked this video, click on like and share and subscribe for more delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate.